Hello, once again, this is Teacher Edrich, and I hope you had a wonderful Christmas time with your family and friends. Today, we're going to review about Christmas vocabulary. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, here we go. This is whom we call Santa's helper. This person is the one who helps Santa, help in preparing the gifts for those good boys and girls. He is an elf. Okay, he is an elf. He is Santa's helper. Next, children decorate it with lights and ornaments. What do we call this thing or in which we put in with lights and ornaments? It is called a Christmas tree. Next, you send it to your friends and your relatives before Christmas. It's called a Christmas card. He brings presents on December 24 or the 24th of December. Who is he? He is Santa Claus. Next, it pulls Santa's sleigh. It is an animal that pulls the sleigh of Santa. It is called a reindeer. You hang it on the doors as a decoration at Christmas. It's called a wreath. Next, it's a large sock that children leave out on Christmas Eve. We call it a stocking. This is a stocking. It's a large piece of sock that Santa puts on some gifts for the good boys and the good girls. Next, it is a vehicle that slides over snow and is pulled by a reindeer. It's the transportation for Santa. It's called a sleigh. This is a sleigh. Next, is a sweet, soft biscuit in the shape of a person. It is brown and it looks like a person. It's called gingerbread. This is a biscuit that we can eat. Gingerbread. Next, you make it out of snow just for fun. And if you have remembered, Olaf is an example of this. What do you call this thing? It's a snowman. This is a snowman. Okay. You can make it out of snow. You will make hands and you will make a nose and eyes with a mouth. Snowman. Next, You can find them under the Christmas tree on Christmas Day. What do you call those small boxes we put underneath the Christmas tree? They are called presents. Okay. Next. You put them on your Christmas tree together with lights. So when you have a Christmas tree, you have the beautiful lights that make it bright, and then you put them, these things, on the Christmas tree. What do we call them? They are called ornaments. The circle balls, they are called ornaments. Ornaments. Next, it's a piece of flavored hard candy shaped like a walking stick. It's something that you can eat, and it's like a stick. We call this a candy cane. One more time, candy cane. Next. So the next one here, you put them on your Christmas tree to illuminate it or to make it bright. What do we call those things? They are called lights or Christmas lights. Next, you light it and put it on a table at Christmas or Christmas Eve or Christmas time. And you will put on a light on it and it will shine brightly in the room. It's called a candle, okay? It's a candle. Next, they are fastened to Santa's sleigh and make a ringing sound. It makes the sound cling, 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 cling. What are they? They are called bells or Christmas bells. So that's it for today, boys and girls. I hope you had a wonderful time with Teacher Edrich. Goodbye.